Hello and thanks for watching the video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to install and configure Redis Object Cache on your WordPress website using cPanel hosting. But first, just make sure that Redis is enabled and configured on your cPanel hosting account because it depends on the cPanel server itself. So not every cPanel having the Redis Object Cache enabled. So make sure to follow up with your web hosting provider before following the steps, and make sure that this icon here, Redis, is available inside your cPanel so you can proceed with the next steps. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the Redis icon here so I can enable Redis Object Cache inside the cPanel. Then I'm going to go over with the start server so I can initiate the connection with the Redis server. So now I'm having a directory which I can connect WordPress to for the Redis Object Cache. Now go back over to your website, the WordPress dashboard, click on add plugin, and then search for a Redis. So here we're going to install the official Redis Object Cache plugin inside WordPress so we can connect it with the Redis server. Okay, this is the first plugin here, Redis Object Cache. Click install now and then activate. So once it's activated, we can connect it with the cPanel Redis server. Okay, and it's now activated, and as you see now, it says that the status is not enabled and Redis is unreachable because WordPress is yet to see the directory for the Redis cache inside the cPanel. So this is what we are going to do in the next step. So inside the cPanel, go back to Tools and go over to the File Manager. It looks something like this, File Manager, where you can edit your files, folders, and everything for the WordPress file. Go over to wp-config file, right-click, and then click Edit like this. And then when you go over to the file like this, just search for this line. That's all, stop editing here, or happy publishing, something like this, and then make sure to use these lines. Okay, so I'm going to put these lines inside the description, but yeah, and then update this user with your Redis cache user, which is here. This is my user I'm going to use. So just make sure to copy and paste and then click save. This is what we're going to do inside the wp-config file. Just make sure to put any edits inside this section, and before that's all, and avoid making any other changes within the file. Okay, so then go back to the Redis Object Cache and then click refresh. Now you see file system is writable and Redis is reachable, but the status is not enabled. So what we're going to do is enable Object Cache, and then Viola, you did the connection right away with the Redis cache inside the cPanel, and now your site is running on Redis cache